If you're just starting out with VPNs and want something simple that just works, this one's for you. When it comes to beginner-friendly VPNs, NordVPN leads the pack. It's clean and easy to navigate. Interface makes it ideal for users who want fast protection without complicated setups. Just download the app, log in, click Quick Connect. Sys on you're instantly protected. No technical knowledge needed. But don't let the simplicity fool you. NordVPN offers advanced features like split tunneling, kill switch, and strong encryption under the hood. So even if you're a beginner, you're still getting professional-grade protection. Many other VPNs either overwhelm users with too many settings or sacrifice functionality for simplicity. NordVPN strikes the perfect balance. It's available on all platforms: Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, even browser extensions, and works seamlessly across devices. Plus, with over 6,000 servers worldwide, you're always connected to a fast, secure network. And if you ever need help, their 24/7 live chat support has your back. If you're a beginner looking for the easiest and most reliable way to browse safely, NordVPN is your go-to option. Join NordVPN for free. Check out the description for the link and start protecting your online activity today.